In this video, I'll guide you through how to export customers from Wave accounting. Whether you're switching to a new platform, backing up your data, or simply need to compile a customer list for your records, exporting this information can be a crucial part of managing your business effectively. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Wave accounting dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your business name displayed there. Clicking on your business name will reveal a drop-down menu with a selection of options tailored to your business needs. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Business Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls and configurations for your Wave account. It's like the control center for your business, allowing you to fine-tune various aspects of your accounting processes. After selecting Business Settings, you'll be taken to a new screen with a sidebar menu on the left. This menu is your navigation tool to access different settings categories. Scroll all the way down to the section called Other. It might be tempting to click around here, but for now, focus on finding the Data Export option within this section. Clicking on Data Export opens up a whole new set of possibilities. This is where you can manage and export different types of data from your Wave account. It's a handy feature that ensures you always have access to your information when you need it. Now, locate the section labeled Accounting. This is the section that holds the key to your customer data. Within the Accounting section, you'll see an Export button. Clicking on this button is the final step in initiating the export process for your customer data. Once you've clicked the Export button, Wave will generate a file containing your customer data. This file is then ready for download, allowing you to save it to your computer or share it with other applications as needed. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly useful for maintaining control over your business data. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to export your customers from Wave accounting. By following these steps, you ensure that your important customer information is always at your fingertips, ready to be used whenever you need it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Wave's support resources are a great place to seek additional help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy exporting!